So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can reset YouTube recommendations. So first of all, open the YouTube app on your phone. Now here, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now after this, tap on the settings icon. Now here tap on your data in YouTube. In this screen, scroll down. Now here you will see the section called YouTube Watch History. Here scroll down. Now here tap on Manage your YouTube Watch History. Now here tap on Delete. And now you will get three options: Delete Today, Delete Custom Range, and Delete All Time. From these three options, tap on Delete All Time. Now tap on Delete. Tap on Got It. Now go back. Tap on Cross. Tap on Cross again. Now go to the Home. Now once you do this, refresh the YouTube. And this will reset YouTube recommendations. So this is how I can reset YouTube recommendations. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.